Welcome to Dealer Week 2022, one of the most important events of the year for us in the marine industry. We're excited to have you join us as an exhibitor this year and look forward to the meaningful connections that you'll make with our dealer attendees. Throughout the event, you will have many opportunities to showcase your products and services, along with the industry knowledge and resources you and your company can provide. Today in this video, we want to help you by offering some tips so you can have a successful show and make the most of your time as an exhibitor at Dealer Week. At Dealer Week, the Expo Hall is where you can take the lead by helping dealers find solutions about pressing challenges they may be facing. You are a solution provider for dealers at Dealer Week. Great partnerships begin with asking questions, listening to pain points, and helping solve problems. So look for ways that you can position yourself as a solution provider during the event to build trust and gain new customers. We also want you to know that the education sessions at Dealer Week are open to all attendees. So you can sit in on any of the educational sessions to meet and talk with dealers face-to-face, as well as learning alongside them. We made the decision to have roundtables to increase the networking opportunities that are happening inside the classroom. So as an exhibitor, you can sit, listen, be with dealers to position yourself as a resource and letting them know that they can come to you for answers to any challenges they may face. Then, take a look at the schedule for the 2.5 days in Austin. In addition to the robust hours in the Expo Hall, we've planned a number of different engaging events for all of our attendees throughout Dealer Week. We highly encourage you as an exhibitor to attend as many of our networking experiences as you can. From the opening ceremony to the afternoon receptions, the early morning fun run, and of course, our 50th anniversary industry celebration party. These events will extend your opportunities to connect and engage with dealers beyond the Expo Hall floor. So look for ways to allow you to have more meaningful conversations and create deeper connections with dealer attendees. Social media is also a great way to stay connected and up to date on all the event happenings. Sharing your participation as an exhibitor at Dealer Week through social channels will help build excitement to new and existing customers, leading up to seeing you in person at Dealer Week. So don't forget to tag us in your posts and photos as well. As an exhibitor, you are vital to the success of Dealer Week. We put together these tips today to help you maximize your time and investment during the convention, and we want you to know that we are committed to your success. So once again, thank you for choosing to exhibit at Dealer Week, and we can't wait to see you in December. Thanks.